Let me show you how to create beautiful sun rays or light rays in Adobe Photoshop. First, go to Select and Color Range. From the drop-down, select the highlights. The selection preview is black matte. I'll increase the range to 220. And the fuzziness is 10%. Then click OK once you're satisfied. Press Ctrl J to cut the bright areas its background. And then right-click and convert it to Smart Object. Go to Filter, Blur, and Radial Blur. I'll increase the amount all the way 100. Select Zoom for the blur method. And then Draft Quality. Now click and drag inside the blur center box to set a different origin point. Once you're satisfied, click OK. Change the blend mode to screen. Make 4 copies of layer by pressing Ctrl J. Select the 5 layers by holding down Shift key. Go to Filter, and Convert for Smart Filters. If you see this message, click OK. Double-click on this, and rename it Highlights. Click on the Mask button. Open your brush tool. And brush picker. Choose the soft round brush. The opacity is 100%. I'll decrease the flow to 15%. Make sure foreground color is black. And just paint on a couple of areas. Click on the adjustment layer, and create a curves. Now let's take it up just like this. Select the blue channel, and take the highlights down. Then close Properties window. Select the mask, then press Ctrl I to invert. Make sure foreground color is white. And then you can just dab in a couple of areas just like that. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Hold the Alt key to split the black slider of the underlying layer. Then click OK. Click on the adjustment layer, and create a color lookup. From the drop-down, select the Crisp Warm. I'll decrease the opacity to 50%. And that's it. Thanks for watching.